To fix a faulty BMW key, several issues may be the cause, including a dead battery, faulty battery connector terminals, or water damage from submersion. To address these problems, try replacing the battery by first pulling out the metal key and carefully opening the plastic casing to access the batteries. Remove the old batteries and replace them with new ones, ensuring the terminals are aligned correctly. If the issue lies with the battery connector terminals, disassemble the key to inspect them. If they are loose, solder them back into position, and if damaged, consider seeking professional help for repair. If the key has been submerged in water, remove the batteries and dry the terminal area with a towel, or use isopropyl alcohol if the water was dirty or salty. By following these steps, it is possible to resolve the issue with a non-working BMW key.